I'm recording. Alright guys, here at the dead end crossing here in Aiken, Tennessee. Here comes the train. The track is sizzling. There it is. Get off. Get away. Get away. Get away. I'm gonna get a very close video of this. There it is. Yeah. Alright guys, here we are at the crossing. Oh, geez, right, whoa! Look at this. Look how close I am to this. Woo! Yeah! Oh my god, I'm too close to this right now. Oh my god! Woo! Oh my goodness Christ! Whoa! Oh, oh shit! There's the end! Wait for me! It left me, guys! Left me! That was really fun. Wow. There's some. It was throwing stuff everywhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Woo.